Yo, what's up? This is PTC channel, guys. So I'm back. So today it's gonna go into to see my McFarlane 2 packs collection. So this is not off often. So hindi natin ito i-unbox. So pakatao lang sa inyo. Gonna show you the PTC channel intro, guys. So I'm happy with this. Let's go. Yo, what's up? This is PTC channel. So, yan guys, may papakita tayong this is McFarlane 2 packs collection. So, ngayon, papataw sa inyo, I'm gonna show you, pero hindi siya yung open, guys. So, pakataw lang sa inyo yung tsura niya. Pero, by the way, actually lahat to, hindi, dalawa itong ito yung favorite kong map collect, guys. So if you see, itong dalawang to, if you see, open na siya, hindi na siya sealed. So this one is not, it's sealed, that other is sealed, not, hindi pala, not sealed na. Sabihin bukas na. So by the way, ito is, yan na, papatak sa inyo. So ano unahin natin? So yung una kong binili, papatak sa inyo. Yung una kong binili, 2 packs. Alright guys, so first 2 facts, McFarlane, it's the Batman versus Hush. So, ito yung una kong binili, guys. I'll buy this at Green Hills. So, may ito, tinakpan ko yung price kasi nandyan yung price. If you see kung magkano siya. So, binili ko to sa Green Hills Hobby Corner. So, napakaganda niya, guys. So, if you see, it's 1 year na to, guys. Pero, di ko pa siya na unboxing. So, hindi ko pa naisip ko yung unboxing ko to, guys. Kasi alam nyo, nakita nyo naman yung upload ko in a days. Kasi nag-gym ako, leg day. Alam nyo naman, like, leg day ako. Favorite kong program yung leg day. So, yan. Yan. See, guys, ang ganda, oh. Ganda, guys, grabe. Yan. Yan si Hush. Comes with the shovel nga ba to? Ayan guys, shovel. And the 2 battering, yung kay Batman. And sa ABC meron siyang Teamstone. Tsaka yan guys, may stand. Meron din stand, may card. May card sa likod. May card. At sa likod, up the back. Ayan. Batman versus Hush. The other side, yan. Batman versus Hush. DC Multiverse. At the back of the box, and guys, kita nyo, guys, again, yan yung, hindi siya artwork, guys. Talagang yung picture ng figure na lang pinakita sa likod ng back of the box. Ayan, kita nyo, DC Multiverse. So, alam nyo guys, ito lang yung pinakita. Kasi yung, dati, itong nakaganyang picture, yan ba yung kita, tas yung other collective all. Ganun dati yung McFarlane, eh. So, by the way, sa tinan nyo guys, sealed, hindi na siya sealed. Sabihin, bukas ko na siya. Ang ganda niya guys nung binuksan ko. Pero, dahil kong tinitingnan lang pag nilalaro, pag bukas na, ganun. Bottom, nothing. Ayan guys, bukas na siya, Ayan, bukas na. Ang ganda niya guys talaga, grabe. Ay, ganda. Right. On to the next 2 facts. Alright guys, so this is my another McFarlane 2 packs. Actually, puro Batman yan. Yung the last, yung Batman Spawn, may Batman rin naman yun. Yan guys, so ito yung Batman versus Azrael Batman Armor. Ayan. Ayan guys, so tingnan nyo. Ang ganda niya guys, grabe. Hindi na siya naka plastic tong accessories niyang may apoy. Hindi naka tali lang siya. Tali na lang siya guys, katulad nung nasa figure and the others. Yung naka-pack lang is yung card at saka yung stand. Ay, meron pala yung stand guys. Ang ganda, ang galing talaga ni Todd McFarlane guys gumawa. Hey guys, if you see, ayan yung sword. If you see, nahulog lang, nandiyan yung sword. Ayan yung isang sword. Tapos ito kay Batman. Lalagay mo siya dito. Ang ganda niya guys, grabe. Ayan yung Batman Armor. Ganda guys, grabe yan. May sword. Kita may crucifix sword. Ayan. Hey, Batman versus Azrael, Batman Armor. Okay. Batman vs. Azrael, Batman Armor. Ayan. Hindi yung pangalan. Batman Curse of the White Knight. Ayan. McFarlane Toys. On the back of the box. Ayan, guys. So, the back of the box. So, ayan yung picture. Yung naglumalaban si Batman versus Azrael. Batman Armor. Ayan. Ayan, other figures. So, I don't have these 5 figures, guys, but I have a Wonder Woman because I have a Wonder Woman of Helmet of Fate, and this one are wala ko nito. Ayan. I don't have these figures, and all of these, both of them are not, I don't have. Ayan. Ayan, nakita niyo yung, yan yung pangalan niya, Batman vs. Azrael, Batman Armor, Batman Curse of the White Knight. Ayan, yung picture. Ang ganda niya, guys, grabe. Ayan, and at the bottom, see, open na siya, hindi na siya sealed. Sorry. Ayan na, guys. That's it. Ayan na yung Batman versus Azrael, Batman Armor. Next. Last is my favorite 2-packs, McFarlane DC Multiverse 2-packs, Batman and Spawn, based on the comics by Todd McFarlane. If you see, guys, tingnan nyo hati siya, magkahati siyang kulay. Yes, magkahati. Ito yung DC, tas yung kay Spawn. Kay Batman tsaka Spawn. Ay, hindi ko pa siya na-open, guys, pero ang ganda ng Spawn, guys, grabe, oh. Ito yung matagal ko nang tinitingnan, guys, kahit nasa Green Hills ako. Ayan, ito yung tinitingnan ko. Nabili ko rin siya. Ayan, may stand. Meron siyang accessories. Ayan, hindi na siya naka-plastic. Hindi nakatali na lang siya pagkabukas. Ayan, guys, may stand siya. May stand sila. Tapos meron siyang card sa loob. Kaya lang dito yun kaya hindi ko pa na-open to, guys. This sitting nyo, guys. Hindi pa siya open. Look closely. Ayan, hindi pa siya open. Ayan yung accessories. 2 interchangeable hands ni Batman. Ayan. Tas yung battering niya, meron ulit. Tsaka Spawn sword. Ayan, guys, ang ganda, guys, grabe na sword. Spawn, the bottom, ayan, yung logo ni Batman tsaka ni Spawn. Ayan, Batman and Spawn, yan the name, DC Multiverse. Ayan, Batman and Spawn, based on the comics by Todd McFarlane. On the back of the box, ayan, kita nyo on the back of the box. So, ayan, Batman and Spawn, and yung artwork ng Batman and Spawn na based of Todd McFarlane, guys. Ayan, no? Guys, ang grabe, kanta. Sheesh. Guys, yeah. Kanta, guys. So, that's it. Okay, ipatong ko na dito lahat. Guys, so, yan na yung Batman. That's it, my McFarlane 2-packs collection. Actually, puro Batman yan. Hope you guys pag nakaipon ulit tayo, bibili pa tayo ulit ng isa pang 2-packs McFarlane, guys. Yan. So, leave a comment and like and subscribe, guys. And don't forget the notification. So, bye, guys. See you guys next time. Bye.